USB, that is not possible to share, or that is not possible to share from the switch, right? So there is not possible to connected with the switch because it's don't have any Ethernet points. Any Ethernet port is not available on the back side of the printer, right? So how it is connected? It's connected over the one side is connected through printer printer port, and another side is connected through USB port. Clear? So when you connected through that USB, how it is connected? How to operate that printer? That printer operated from a particular laptop or particular desktop. तो ये लोकल प्रिंटर सबको समझ में आ गया है? All are understood that local printer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लोकल प्रिंटर में किसी का कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So basically, when you configuring the printer on the time, how to share a printer? इस printer को share कैसे करोगे? How to share this printer in a network? Anyone have any knowledge? किसी का कोई knowledge तो बता सकते हो? If I sharing a printer in a big network, suppose I go to a big environment where 30 to 40 computers are present on a same LAN, and that printer will be accessible. How will share this printer in a network? Anyone? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन, मतलब किसी का कोई नॉलेज है?
Installing driver in every PC.
Installing driver, very good. Installing driver, it's working obviously.
I think
But
just
when
like
you're sharing a printer, you will follow that infrastructure. What infrastructure? First, we are using one switch. Okay, that switch server also connected. Why server is required here? Because server maintaining the domain name. And PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5. All computers are connected to the same switch. It means what? PC1 to PC5, all computer belongs to domain. All are clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All are clear? And how it is
Yes, sir.
connected? PC1 directly connected over the USB port. So here, who is the printer server? PC1 is the printer server. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because PC1 directly connected over the USB port. How it is connected? One side is connected through backside of desktop USB port, and another small size port is connected with printer. So here, who is the printer server? PC1 is a printer
PC1.
server. PC1 is a printer server, and here that server treated as a domain server. And how you are managing the user? कैसे तुम user को manage करोगे? You are managing the user over the PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5. Every computer. सब कंप्यूटर को एक साथ तो मैनेज कर सकते हो. क्लियर?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
फुल नॉट अंडरस्टूड, थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेट करो, क्योंकि मैं
सर प्लीज
लोगों
रिपीट
को
करिए
voice
दोबारा एक
नहीं
बार.
मिलता है तो समझ में नहीं आता है. ऑल आर क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
सर दोबारा करिए सर एक बार.
Clear.
So PC1 here printer server, and server is a domain server. PC2 is a printer server and domain user. PC2 is a domain client and printer clients. PC3 also a printer client and domain client. PC4 is also a domain client, printer client, and PC5 also domain client and printer client. Why? Because they are all treated as a user. Whatever the computers are connected through this another port, that also treated as a user. PC7, PC8, whatever. Clear?
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बताओ. Who is not clear till now, please raise your hand. Because if you not understood the infrastructure, it's not possible to manage this network. Yeah, customer, where is your issue? Tell me. Which particular steps you will not understood?
Sir, about
In
PC1,
that
sir.
PC1.
Yes, sir.
You tell me, Akash. Akash, you tell me how to connect a local printer.
Sir, we have to download the software of a local printer and then we attach data cable in sir CPU. And then we install
So
the
you will-
drivers.
So how you share the printer over the PC1? वो तो USB से connected है ना? That is not connected over the LAN. But
Yes, sir.
our main concept is there how to share a printer in a network. Network में
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
share करोगे? So we are sharing the printer over the PC1. हम PC1 के साथ शेयर करेंगे. ठीक है? PC1
Okay.
directly connected through the USB cable. So
Okay,
PC1
sir.
में तो network है ना? You also visible one network IP on the PC1 because
जी, sir.
that also available. So
Yes,
here
sir.
how to connect it? यहाँ पे तुम PC1 को कैसे connect करोगे? PC1 directly connected over the switch. So PC1 also present on the all computer. PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5 because that PC1 database available on Active Directory. Now clear, Akash? Because here we also configuring
Yes, sir.
domain. And
Okay, thank
domain
you, sir.
is present means you can access anything. If you
Yes,
have a
sir.
user account on domain, you can log on to any computer on the domain without needing an account on that particular computer. क्योंकि हम लोग जो यूजर बनाएंगे जो यूजर्स अवेलेबल होगा PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5 that all users present on the
Domain.
domain. हाँ यहाँ पे तुम PC सर्वर को बंद कर दोगे if you turn off the server on the time PC1 to PC5 is totally not working. Why? Because all database present on Active Directory. Clear? So which is important? Domain also important and PC1 is also important. Why we are sharing over the that particular printer over the network? Because on PC1 you also assign one IP address and you can easily connect it with the network from PC1 because it don't have Ethernet port on that particular local printer because this is USB printer, this is local printer. So how to share? You are sharing through PC1. Clear for everyone? सबको clear हुआ अभी?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Any question?
सर सर्वर और डेटाबेस में क्या अंतर है सर? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सर्वर एंड डेटाबेस सर?
Server and database मतलब तुम्हारा मान लो I am configuring a Active Directory. Very good. We are configuring a domain. So domain and जो folder तुम बनाते हो, you are sharing a folder or files. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? तुम उस फोल्डर को शेयर करो मतलब क्या है? उसमें जो भी फाइल है वो तुम्हारे लिए एक डेटाबेस है, FTP डेटाबेस. क्लियर?
यस सर.
तो here तुम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? That is not sharing the database. You
Class
sharing printer
चल
resources.
क्लास चल रही मेरी भी.
You sharing printer resources. Clear?
यस सर.
Domain is a set of network resources for a group of users. यहाँ पे domain कौन है? domain where present, domain present on that server sites. Domain is a set of network resources. यहाँ पे resource कौन है? PC1 is a printer resource. And where you share for a group of users, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, whatever you want. Because you will
सर
manage
शेयर
your
कैसे
users.
कर रहे हैं?
Sorry.
सर शेयर कैसे कर रहे हैं? ये तो समझ में आ गया कि डोमेन बेसिकली सारी यूजर अकाउंट हमारे डोमेन में एग्जिस्ट करेंगे, ठीक है, समझ गया।
शेयर कैसे करेंगे वो हम प्रैक्टिकली बताएंगे। नेटवर्क
ओके
तो समझ में आ गया ना?
यस सर, यस सर।
Here every step is written, ठीक है, which will perform on the server side, which will perform on printer server, which will perform on the client side. Every steps written, okay. सब कुछ रेडीमेड है, सिर्फ एक एक करके कॉन्फ़िगर करना है, ठीक है। Can I start now?
यस सर।
Yes.
All are understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first है configuring the server side, ठीक है। पहले हम लोग डोमेन सर्वर को करते हैं। So first I remove and then reinstall again. First what I install, I am installing Windows Server. Here I am creating 3 folders. One is server, one is PC1, which is treated as a printer server, and one is PC2, which is treated as a what? क्या होगा PC2?
User. User.
Client
Client.
or user. Maybe all are clear.
Yes.
I am choosing a server first. C VMware server. Okay. This is the folder. Click on next. Store virtually as a single file, 16 GB required. Then click on next. I am enter here 1 GB RAM. Yes. Left click and press any key. Then open. I am installing Windows Server 2019. Next, what I install, I am installing 2 clients. तो क्लाइंट में इंस्टॉल नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सिर्फ कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. Windows 10 VM files, copy. CVMR Windows 10, CVMR printer server based, and CVMR printer client. Otherwise, it takes too much time, 0 to 100%. Then India, English India, it takes too much time. So that's why I'm not describing it. Normally, I open the CVM or Windows CVM or printer server. I'm choosing that last file, then click on open. Who's already doing the practical will know about it, how to copy the file. I copied it. Here also same thing. Open virtual machine, VMware, client, Windows 10. Okay. Power on, I copied it. Here required three systems. One treated as a printer domain server, one treated as a printer server, and another treated as a clients. So here I am entering here. This is my domain server. अच्छा यहाँ पे आईपी क्या होगा 192.168.1.1 ये क्या होगा प्रिंटर सर्वर टाइम एंटर हियर प्रिंटर सर्वर समझ में आ रहा है सबको नहीं आ रहा तो भी बताओ
आ रहा है सर
192.168.1.2 and this is my user or client users or clients. What is the IP 192.168.1. क्या होगा
1.3 anything
चलिएगा
सर
तो मैं कॉन्फ़िगर कर लेता हूँ फर्स्ट I activated the administrator account then change the host name and then change the IP address maybe clear IP addresses I change after configuring the room otherwise it not receiving the network. So both side I activated the administrator account. First I go to run and type what?
LUSR mgr.msc.
I go to wait mute everyone. Selva Prakash present. Selva Prakash Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
Selva, how to active administrator?
Hello.
Yeah, how to active administrator? Selva, how to active administrator? Selva,
Sir, we want to
how
go
to active administrator?
We want, sir. Hello. Sir,
Tell me, I hear you.
Sir,
What I type here?
Hello.
What I type?
Hello. Sir,
Tell me, I hear you.
we want to go for run command, sir.
Then? Then what I type here?
We want to net user administrator activate, yes, sir.
Net user administrator. What
Yes,
I
sir.
type here? I already go to run. Then what I type here?
Net user administrator, sir.
Net user administrator.
Yes, sir.
सर्च करके बार बोले हो कि प्रैक्टिस किए हो?
I'm using in mobile,
आई एम
sir.
टाइपिंग हियर LUSR MGR.ms. मेरे को कमेंट से नहीं जाना है. So where I go to users, double click on administrator, uncheck the account is disable, click on apply, click on open. Right click on administrator, set password, proceed. What I enter here, normal password 12345. No, 12345. Click on OK. Double click